Do you want to see the change from before to after? Turn on subtitles if you want, and watch the transformation while we cover some vocabulary. We'll even review the words at the end of the video. Hello! Today I'm going to talk about our basement. We wanted our basement to be more livable, so we cleaned it up and installed a new floor. The basement used to be full of junk. It was a mess. Here are some vocabulary words so far. Basement, junk, mess, this is our basement before. Look at all the junk. What a mess. The old carpet was removed years ago when we had a water leak during a series of heavy rainstorms. Installing new flooring gave us the opportunity to clear out some junk and make the basement more livable. Here's some more vocabulary. Carpet, leak, rainstorm, install, livable. We chose to install a floating floor over a layer of moisture guard. We bought a simulated wood floor laminate that looked really easy to install. The hardest part was measuring and cutting the odd pieces that had to fit around doors and corners. Installing the floor now. This will be much more livable. And we have even more words for you. Simulated, measuring, cutting, door, corner, when we finished, we were so happy with how it turned out. It looks much better than having a concrete floor. The materials cost us $600 to $700, but we saved hundreds of dollars in labor costs. It was easy for us and well worth it. All right, let's review. Basement, junk, mess, carpet, leak, rainstorm, install, livable, simulated, measuring, cutting, door, corner, that's all for today. If you have trouble with the words, follow the advice in our video about how Marx learned 15 languages. Try to guess the meaning. It's best if subtitles are only a last resort.